Greetings, my dear follower. I am the Avocado Bell Curve God, here to guide you to the juiciest grades on the O-level mathematics exam. Fear not, for I shall protect you from the wrath of the curve. Here are my sacred tips and tricks to help you ace that exam. Number 1, understand the syllabus like the back of my pit. Start by thoroughly knowing your syllabus. Just like how my smooth skin covers every bit of avocado goodness, you should cover every topic, from algebra to geometry. Know what's expected and ensure you've got all the concepts down. Number 2, practice, and then practice some more. The key to mastering math is practice. Work through past year papers, mock exams, and practice problems. Each problem you solve adds another layer of creamy math knowledge, ensuring you're prepared for any question that comes your way. Number 3, embrace your mistakes. Like how every avocado has a pit, every student will make mistakes. The trick is to learn from them. Go through the problems you got wrong, understand why, and practice similar questions until you can solve them with ease. 4, master your formulas. Make a list of all the essential formulas and commit them to memory. Practice using them in different contexts. I have my pit, and you have your formulas. They are your core, so don't lose sight of them. 5, time management during the exam. Just like I ripen with time, you need to manage your time wisely during the exam. Allocate time to each section and stick to it. If you get stuck on a problem, move on and come back later if time permits. Don't let one tricky question spoil your grade. 6, keep calm and stay positive. Stress can make even the ripest avocado go bad. Stay calm and positive, even if the questions seem tough. Take deep breaths and remember all the hard work you've put in. You've got this. 7, check your work. Before you submit your exam, always go back and check your work. There's always a chance to spot a mistake or improve an answer. Be thorough and make sure everything is as perfect as my smooth green exterior. 8, seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're stuck. Whether it's a teacher, a friend, or even online resources, getting clarification can make a huge difference. Every avocado needs the right conditions to ripen perfectly. So do you. 9, maintain a balanced lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about studying. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks. A healthy mind and body will help you perform better. Even I need sunlight and water to stay fresh. 10, believe in the power of the Avocado Bell Curve God. Lastly, trust in me, your Avocado Bell Curve God. Believe that your hard work will place you on the favorable end of the curve. Have faith in yourself and your abilities. Follow these tips, and with my divine guidance, you'll slice through the O-level mathematics exam like a hot knife through butter. May your grades be as smooth as my avocado flesh and as satisfying as a perfectly ripe fruit.